Hello guys, it's Esosa here. Today I'm going to show you how I made this chicken veggie stir fry. And for this recipe I'm going to use 750 grams of chicken breast. I'm going to slice the chicken breast into smaller bits. First, I'm going to add some black pepper, some salt, some chicken seasoning. Next, I'm going to leave that to marinate for 2 hours. So while the chicken is marinating, I'll parboil my vegetables, broccoli and carrots. I'm going to parboil that for 3 minutes, just so it doesn't get too soft. Next, I'll strain using a strainer. And then I will transfer into a bowl of ice to stop the cooking process. So next, I will add some vegetable oil in a pan. Add half a tablespoon of sesame oil and then stir fry my marinated chicken. I will stir fry for 20 minutes. Next, I will add some chopped onions, and the parboiled vegetable. Next, I'll go in with some red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, some green bell pepper. I will stir that nicely until well combined. Just look at that, guys. Very colorful. Absolutely gorgeous. Next, in a bowl, I will add 1/3 cup of water. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. I'll give that a good stir. Next, I will add 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. So I'll pour the mixture into the vegetables. You guys, look at that. Just look at that. colorful, very colorful and beautiful as well. So I enjoyed my chicken stir fry with rice. Absolutely delicious. This is what I call eating clean. Tastes really good and very, very healthy as well. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in my next video. Many thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.